Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Before we get started, I'd like to introduce a new partner that will be joining us. Everyone, I would like you to meet Amanda. She's one of the new youth that joined the Youth Action Hub.
Did you just hear that? Let's play that back real quick. Rewind!
She's one of the new youth that joined the Youth Action Hub.
Whoa. That's a big red flag right there. Tip number 1. Don't refer to us as the youth or as kids. We are not a demographic. We are partners in this effort. So try introducing us with our names or our affiliations. Or just ask us how we want to be introduced. Now, let's try that again, shall we?
Everyone, I would like you to meet Amanda. She's one of the new employees at the Youth Action Hub.
Hello, Amanda.
Nice to meet you.
Amanda, why don't you tell us a little about yourself?
Okay, well, hi guys, my name is Amanda. I'm 20 years old and I want to become a social worker because I've always had a desire to help others.
That's great. I hope the Youth Action Hub will help you on your way to the top. But anyways, we wanted to put this meeting together because we are trying to build a shelter for homeless youth and young adults, and we'd like to know from a young adult's perspective what we should include or consider when building the shelter.
Wow, that's amazing.
I agree. I have a lot to say about that.
Well, have a lounge. I think having a lounge where all the young adults can meet up would be very helpful.
Well, there will be 4 or 5 youth to a room, and we want them to socialize with each other, so a lounge really wouldn't matter.
Did he just sweep her ID under the rug? Alright guys, it's time for tip number 2. Please try to understand our perspective. Do not treat our ideas like they're not important. Instead, engage in a conversation with us and try to see why we think our idea is important, to have or to do something. You might actually see it from a different perspective, because we are the experts.
Well, have a lounge. I think having a lounge where all the young adults can meet up would be very helpful.
No, we weren't really planning on including a lounge, but why do you think we should have one? Alright, well, now that we're finishing up, I would like to thank the young adults of the Youth Action Hub for joining us and giving us their input. You gave us a lot of helpful and very useful tips that we plan to work with to make this a great shelter. Thank you.
Whoa. Where is he going? He didn't even ask us if we had any last minute questions, updates, and are we even invited to future meetings? Who's making the final decision on the design? I guess it's time for tip number 3, guys. Partnership is a two-way street and should be longer than one meeting. Make it clear if we're invited to future meetings, what they're going to be about, and who has the decision power in these meetings. How can we work together in the meantime as a team? Remember, if you want real youth partnership, you have to treat us like partners.
Alright, well, now that we're finishing up, does anyone have any questions? Please, feel free.
Actually, what are your next steps? I was wondering if we were invited to be a part of the next meeting.